If your food doesn't smell good while cooking, you are definitely doing something wrong. Allow me to hook you to how I make my all-purpose seasoning lately. The reason why my food always tastes different. A very warm welcome back to my channel, Yummies. If you are new here, my name is Yummy Cash. Now let's get into action. It is super simple and very good for busy moms like you and myself. All you need is a lot of onions, okay? Some gingers and garlics. We all seem to, blend the ginger, garlic, and the onions when doing our food. But the real G is the type of spices you use. So after peeling my ginger, garlics, and onions, I wash again for the second time and discard the water. Now I'll cut the onions into smaller chunks, okay, so that the blender can blend very well. I'll then proceed to cut the gingers also into smaller pieces. Now once I'm done cutting everything, I will proceed to add in the spices. Alright, I'll first go in with shediaba, the English name. I will research it and then put it on the screen. Now the next thing is some rosemary. I am not adding a lot, just a little, okay? Then comes in my black peppercorn. Now when you're doing this, do not add a lot of the spices, because if you do, your seasoning will become very bitter, okay? Now I'm adding a little bit of cloves too. Once again, be very careful with the cloves, just a little, and the little also depends on the quantity of onions, ginger, and garlic you are using. Now I will add my anise seeds. And then my star. Do not skip this part. Add some salt to it, also some seasoning. Okay, the seasoning is totally optional. Add it to your blender, add water to it, blend nicely, and then you use it as and when it is needed. I like to preserve mine like this. So I hope you try this method or this recipe the next time you try making your all-purpose seasoning at home. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!